Let's Have a Dog Party by Michaela Prevost. This is Frank's spot. It's his favorite spot in Kate's house. More than his bed, more than his bowl, Frank's spot is warm and soft and perfect for napping. But not today. Happy birthday, Frank! We need to get you ready, yelled Kate. Frank was not ready for this. Frank watched his bed disappear, and then his bowl. Frank really wanted his spot now. It had to be under these things. Hey, Frank wants to open his presents. Look, Frank, it's your ball. Look, Frank, it's your squeaky toy. Look, Frank, it's a dried-up lizard we found outside. Wait, Kate yelled. We have to sing happy birthday. Kate and her friends sang loud. Frank's ears hurt. The friends danced in circles. Frank felt dizzy. He had to get out of here. Look, Frank wants to play hide and seek. Where are you? Come out, Frank! Frank, ready or not, here we come. Frank found a new spot. It was cold and dark, and it smelled like feet. Not perfect for napping, but at least it was quiet. Found you! Kate gasped. Frank could hear kids whispering and went walking out to the front door. And then he heard Kate's footsteps. Kate patted the ground. Frank, will you come out, please? Frank crawled out slowly. I'm sorry, boy, Kate said. Frank gave her a kiss. I have one last surprise. Can you smell it? Happy birthday, Frank! Now this was a party Frank liked.